So I am currently standing outside of Target. Who hasn't been to Target in so long? Not feeling well. Already washed them off with bleach water. I got some buttermilk, a pack of Oreos, some corn. My mom sent these over for my daughter because she loves these. Some coffee. This is what I drink, the decaf, and then my husband drinks the medium roast. We like caribou coffee. I got some pepperoni because I'm going to make pizza. And then I got my granddad a sample of meat. I grocery shopped for him, but this was in my bag. And he got some of my fresh produce. I have to go over and get that from his house real quick. And then I got just a little bit of deli meat for us. Yeah, we really don't eat a whole bunch of meat, but I just got something a little different. It's like a ½ pound, but this is the boar's head honey maple turkey, and it is so super good. Okay, so what do y'all feel about Insecure? I know it's only been 2 episodes, but it's kind of all over the place. Let me know in the comments, you know, how y'all feel about Insecure so far. Use your finger. Actually, mommy drew it wrong.
Too long?
I drew it wrong. We're gonna start up here, okay?
I'm not thinking that. I'll see the one do other days.
Okay. Mommy, let mommy know what those sounds say. Right there. Right here. Use your finger. Up here. Yep.
Ah.
But what happens? What does it sound like when you hold it?
Ah.
Very good. What about this one?
Mmm.
Can you put those sounds together for mommy?
I think I can.
You can do it. Try it. Try it. Start over here.
What is it?
I'm not going to tell you. We're going to use your finger and you're going to use the sounds. Okay, start over here. What sound? Nope. What sound does this one make? What sound does this one make? Now put them together. Very good. Do it again. Okay, nowadays we don't get many visitors. I have a visitor. He's not coming in though, it's my granddaddy. I need to clean the window on my door, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so my granddaddy just dropped me off a package. And I need to, well, I'm kind of slim. Waist is getting a little slim. I just bought me a waist shaper, but y'all see that? It's going in. My living room is absolutely atrocious. I'm gonna show it to y'all. My plant is going through it, and I left it just like that because I'm going to film how I get her to come back to life. I bought it and it was kind of messed up, and I didn't know that I needed to get some fertilizer for her. So I should have got the fertilizer before it got way too bad, but yeah, I just left it there because I want to use that for visual effects. But my house is trash. It looked terrible. I'm doing laundry, so that's a load over there that I need to fold. Here's a load over here that I need to fold. The kids have been playing in here. My daughter be playing with her Play-Doh. I don't know why it's a plate in here on the floor. Like, it's on another level. But I'm gonna clean all of this up. My granddaddy is so sweet. I've been going grocery shopping for him, not because I wanted money from him or anything like that, but he literally, he's been giving me tips every time I go to the store for him. So he just recently dropped off my package, like I told y'all. And then he goes, yeah, I put a tip in there. I'm like, yeah. But my day is going to consist of cleaning, filming, doing the kids' lesson. Oh yeah, let me show you all the stuff that we've been using. Here is all our school stuff that we've been doing. I used to homeschool before, so this is nothing new to us. We've just been putting all our resources that we have in our home to good use. And it's Monday, by the way. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a great start to your week. Or yesterday was the start of the week. Oh yeah, and I got another package. I got a package from Amazon this morning, and I'm waiting on another package to come. But before I turn into Chatty Patty, I will talk to y'all shortly. Okay, so my tip for giving kids a bunch of goodness is putting it in a smoothie, and then I usually pour it in like one of their kids' cups so that they can't really see the color, because if they can see the color, they don't want to drink it. All that goodness. I like my smoothie to be really cold, so I always add a few ice chips in there.
Yes. Grab the books out the door.
Okay, so I'm literally sitting here. I just had the absolute best dinner. It's Monday night. I had a bomb salad. I ate everything. It was regular iceberg lettuce, or I guess you would call it what, butter lettuce. I had taco cheese in it. I sprinkled the lettuce with some pepper. I sauteed some, or fried up some turkey meat, boar's head turkey. It's so good. And I put some croutons in there, some pecan pieces, and I put ranch dressing and Catalina, and I mixed it all up. It was so good. I don't know if because the lettuce was super fresh, but that salad was so good. And then I haven't had a Coke. I have a coke addiction. I haven't had one in about 5 or 6 weeks. I've been having a brand new pack of the 90 calorie, how many ounces? 7.5 ounces. And I just drank this with my salad. It was literally heaven. I wish it was like one more drop. Oh my gosh, it was. That was so good. And then I'm sitting here on my iPad shopping on Target's website. But yeah, this is my Monday night. My husband just went upstairs to get in the bed. I'm gonna take me a shower, then I'm gonna go join him, put the kids to bed. Our clocks are all off. It's 11:30, and I'm just now about to go and take a shower. So I might even watch some YouTube and wait to take my shower because I'm not sleepy. But I had a pretty easy day. We didn't do the kids' lesson today. What we'll make up for it and probably do 2 lessons tomorrow. But I didn't want to overwhelm my son because he had a Zoom class or a Microsoft Teams class. He had 2 of them, one with his homeroom Montessori teacher and one with his music teacher. So I'm like, that's enough for him. And then me and my daughter, we just went over her sounds. But my camera is about to die, so yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Good morning and happy Tuesday. I'm looking super busted, but we're not gonna worry about that. I have in front of me my grocery list that I wrote out, and then I got a list on the back for stuff to get for my granddaddy. I'm super nervous. I gotta stop being nervous when I have to go out, but I feel like, I don't know if y'all used to watch wham. It was a Canadian channel, but it had this show called The Tribe, and like all the parents had died and the kids was basically fending for themselves. That's what I feel like. I feel like I'm gonna have a bow and arrow on my back and I'm gonna have to shoot it at people if they don't give back. Partial finished look. I just put on my army fatigue little jacket and my Lululemon scuba hoodie. I'm about to put on my Lululemon fanny pack, and that's it. Okay, so I'm currently in the car. These are my gardening gloves that I'm wearing. I can just throw these in the washing machine when I get home. I need to go get some gas and get these groceries. Okay, look at that. 10 gallons for $15. My goodness.
She doesn't know what she's supposed to be doing because she's never been on a plane except for this one that she just went on, you know, and her life is still really, really being formed.
Okay. Hey y'all, happy Friday. This is brunch. We're having some veggie sausage, turkey bacon, got some eggs going right there, some skillet potatoes, and I'm about to put some waffles in the oven. But yeah, happy Friday. Hope you guys had a great week. I just posted a home decor haul video. It gave me like memories and feels because it was, all that stuff was bought when we could go outside. So I would kill to go to Home Goods. I really would. I know that sounds bad, but I just like going there. And I don't have to buy stuff every time I go. I normally do, but I've been doing very, very good with my money. Hold on. In my haul video, I showed my spatulas, and I'm basically showing you, like, this is what I mean when I say I rest my spatula on the pan while it's cooking. When I'm cooking, I do use this, but then when I have a lot of stuff on my stove, it don't fit, so I just set it over here. All my packages just been rolling in. Okay, I'm super excited. Good morning, happy Saturday. I haven't even washed my face or brushed my teeth yet, but I was woken up by my husband talking super loud. He ended up being a gossip queen, talking about some stuff that is going on at work. Something is missing here. I don't know what it is. Oh, my kids pushed my chair back. Let me show you my plants. Look at that. Those are sweet potatoes. I think I showed them to y'all and they had no leaves. It has gone so crazy. Like, they just vining and growing like wildfire. And then these are ready to go in the ground. But yeah, my kids are still sleeping. They stayed up really late last night, so I don't know what time they're gonna wake up. This morning, I have a bunch of laundry to do. It's Saturday. I don't want to do anything. My husband is home for the first Saturday in a very long time, so it's like all I want to do is parlay. He is talking so loud. He gossiping about work. Let me go have me some coffee. I'll talk to y'all shortly.
You okay, Mama?
Yes.
Perhaps just try another video. that don't try to hurt you.
Woo-wee. This is what color it was when I started. Woo. This thing is so soaked. I can probably squeeze it. It was a little